How to link email in Marvel Future Fight. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. If you're playing Marvel Future Fight and want to make sure your game progress is safe, linking an email helps back up your data and allows you to recover your account if you change your devices. First of all, launch open Marvel Future Fight on your mobile device or your tablets, and once you're inside the home screen, go ahead and click the gear icon at the top right corner. You'll then end up in this settings menu, where you'll need to click on Account from the top. Now, under Account, look for Sign in with Email option and click on it. If you're already linked to any other accounts such as Facebook or Google Play, then you can also add email for additional backup. Now, go ahead and enter an email address you'd like to sign in with. Enter your email and password. If you haven't signed up with your email, you can click on Sign up with Email button and follow through the instructions. Enter a valid email address you have access to and then create a password on the next field. After doing so, agree to the terms of service and privacy policy by checking this small tick mark and click Next. Now, soon after you do that, you have successfully linked email with Marvel Future Fight. Now your game progress is safely backed up. You can log in with your email on any devices to restore your account. That is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.